What y'all looking at? Y'all already know where I'm going. Seed shopping. Yeah, I had to make a run to the local feed and seed shop just to see what they had. A little bit nosy, but a little bit greedy as well, because I already have seeds for the upcoming grow season. But I always like to check to see if they have something different or something interesting that I might want to pick up. Also, check your local feed and seed stores. If you have a particular vegetable that you like to grow and you grow it all the time, you might want to consider picking it up in bulk bags. Or if you're a micro green grower, you might want to consider picking up bulk bags. But they do have the smaller bags as well for here you go, $2.79, and they have some for $2.99 as well. Hey guys, and if you want to compare prices to what you get versus, the pretty packets that we buy in the big box store, I'm going to just say, for me, in my local feed and seed store, there is no comparison. But I'll show you. I know. It's the excitement of going in the store and seeing all the pretty packages, right? I'm right there with you too. Probably buying way more than we need based on what the pictures look like, right? Come on, be honest. And this looks a little plain Jane. I'm going to show you the difference when I get back in the house. Just give me a second, okay? Roll with me, rock with me, stay with me. I'm going to be right back. Okay, I had to take a detour to my local nursery. I could not go home without stopping there to support. I came across this combo tree. I've never seen this. Have you guys seen the combo tree? There's 4 different varieties of apples growing on this one tree. Now I'm going to show you. If you see it, say it in the comments. If you see it, say it in the comments. What's going on here? I had to go in the office and check out what seeds they had. They always have something that looks kind of unique and new to me. So I like to stop inside the office at the nursery and see what kind of seeds they got. Lots and lots of different types of herbs. And they also had tons of peppers. But look here. You see it. But these seeds expired December of 2023. Guys, so this is what I picked up these are a couple I picked up from the feed and seed store. Just want to show you the quantity. Look at that. 1/2 ounce of these seeds. Flip it over so you can really see. Shake it down to the bottom. There you go. You see that? That's a good bit of seeds. What are collard greens? Same thing. 1/2 ounce. You see all those seeds? You see all them seeds? Okay, let's take a look at what you get from the big box store. Okay, so we're going to protect the name, right? Okay, I'm going to shake this all the way down, fold it over, and then we're going to see how much seeds we got from the big box store. This is a big brand too. 1 second. Okay, so we shook it down to the bottom. What you see the bottom was folded over. That's how much seed you're getting. Feed and seed shop. Big box store. Okay, let's check another one. Shook this one down to the bottom. That's what you're getting. That's what you're getting. All right. I don't know, guys. Is it really worth the pretty packaging? I don't know. You tell me. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think.